Hello, 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 beautiful souls. So, today I got this channeled message that we have to let go. And why did I receive this channeled message? Is because there is change, there is transformation in the collective. And when we see, we normally have resistance to change. But at the same time, we may keep hearing that there is change, there is transformation, there is new beginning. However, sometimes we don't see it happening to us. And that is because we have to let go of something. We need to create new space, just like we declutter our wardrobes, we declutter our house. We need to declutter our mind and our soul. So, what do we need to declutter our mind and our soul is to let go. Now, you may say that it is difficult to let go of. It's easier said than done. But the memory may stay. So this is what I received in my channeled message, is that the memory may stay. Memory is not something that you can erase if you've gone through an incident or you have had some experience, whether it is your direct experience or whether it is an indirect experience. Let the memory be there, but clear the energy. And how do you clear the energy of that? Is by forgiving. Forgiving whoever it was. Asking for forgiveness, even if you cannot talk to the person, energetically you can say, "Forgive me." What you can do is also forgive yourself. That is definitely the key, that you forgive yourself. If you can forgive yourself and forgive others and ask for forgiveness, you are letting go of that experience, that energy that has been troubling you subconsciously also. There is some trouble consciously, but there is some uneasiness subconsciously too. So it's very important to let go for new beginning, for new changes to come into our life, and welcome the new change. A lot of times we are not able to welcome the new change because we are still holding on to that old resentment or old grudges or the old experience. So what we need to do is just clear the energy. Let's see what is the card for today while we channel the message. Yes, absolutely. This is exactly what it says. It says Three of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and Two of Cups. So exactly, you need to let go, move forward, and embrace the new situation. Just embrace the new situation. But a lot of times we do not see the new beginning. It's just because we need to let go of something. So if this resonated with you, then like, subscribe, and share my YouTube. Thank you, and God bless you.